Hello everyone, I am Naoki Yusuke. So today in this video, I'm going to show you a quick view of how I make my portable mini slingshot. So the first thing that I did is I 3D designed this thing through SolidWorks, and then I split it in half. This part, this main body, I split it in half so that I can later install the trigger and this puller part. So once I have done this design, I split it up into two parts and then I 3D print it. You see here I already placed it into Ultimaker Cura, and now we're going to proceed with 3D printing. Okay, so you can see it is currently printing right now. Okay, you can see there. It's really small. This is my hand. You can see the size of my hand. It's really mini, but it is powerful. Okay, now the 3D printing is done. So you can see here we got 4 parts, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. So this 2 is the main body part. This one is the puller mechanism, and the last one is the trigger. So how are we going to assemble this? So you're going to need a pen, okay, because we're going to use the tube of the pen, and also we're going to use the spring. So now let's take out this part. We don't need that. You only need these 2 parts, which is the spring and also this tube part. Okay, for the spring part, we need to cut the spring in half. So what we're going to do is, focus. What we're going to do is we're going to cut the spring in half. Okay, just like that. Now we've got the spring. Okay, first we are going to assemble the trigger part and the bottom main part. So you can see here there is a hole right there. So we are going to put this piece in the center, just like that, until you can see both hole is aligned. Now take this pen and slot it in right in the middle. Okay, slot it in. Yeah, you can see there, just a little bit more. Need a plier. So I'm gonna use the plier here to twist it even more. Okay. Okay, until there. Now you can cut the pen. Okay, we can trim down the excess pen here using this cutter, just like that. Now we already assembled the trigger. Okay, so what we are going to do next is this part. So make sure when you try to put this in here, make sure that this part is aligned with the trigger part. Okay, that extra piece there, align it right there, just like that. You can put it anywhere, it doesn't matter, because this is the pulling mechanism. So next, put the spring that we cut earlier and put it on the trigger. Okay, you can see it fits really nicely there. Put this sliding mechanism there. Lastly, you can glue this top part right just like that. You sandwich it like that. You use a super glue to put it together, and then you can use this as a slingshot. Now I'm going to glue it first, and then I'm going to show you how to use this. Okay, now once you have glued these two parts together, now what you need is a rubber band. Okay, this is really simple mechanism. Okay, slide it in the middle. Okay, make sure the rubber band is even, and now just slot it there, slot it right there, just like that. Now your slingshot is ready. Okay, so how to use it? It's pretty simple. You can use this type of pen or this type of steel pen. This is much more sturdier to be used as a dart. And also you can use BBs. So let's try out one by one. Okay, now let's lock it in place. So first is the plastic pen. 1, 2, 3. There you go. You can see it stuck right there. So now let's try out with the metal pen. Okay, now first we're going to lock this just like that. Now put in the metal pen. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and lastly I'm going to shoot BBs. So let's pull this slingshot, lock it in place, and we're going to put the BBs inside just like that. You can see the BBs there. Okay, so I'm gonna shoot the green can right there. One out. 1, 2, 3. There you go. So this is it. If you enjoy watching my video, please give a like, leave a comment if you have any questions, and also don't forget to click the subscribe button down below. So hope you guys enjoy watching my video. Have a good day. Thank you for watching.